What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
Yeah, early in the morning, just didn't wake up enough. Slammed in the van door.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it looks like the case is broken too, man.
Yeah, I need a new case too, if you can help me out with that.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Let's see this. Wow. Damn. Don't worry, man. I got you.
Alright, good lucks.
He's gonna buy a new case, but we have to deep clean this. It's really bad. Probably it's stuck in there for so long. Damn, look at that. Your phone is ready, sir. Now clean and looks good to go.
Nice, nice. Thank you, man.
You're welcome,
Needed that.
sir.